siya. Bong, this is mine alone?
This yours.
Oh.
This
No.
one is good for small mug only, small glass.
But you know me, I like, I'm big.
You want big?
I'm also big, so I
Also, you make it two.
oh yeah. Very nice.
Hello, Paul Doctor.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm okay. Good
Yeah.
morning.
Mind how are you?
What is that?
This is milk tea.
Milk,
Yeah.
Why milk?
Yeah, because I'm still young.
You're still young,
Yeah.
You're still a small boy,
Yeah.
You don't like coffee or
I don't
tea?
like coffee because I'm still young. The reason why I drink this in the morning to keep my body fresh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Anyway, milk is good for the body.
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy your breakfast.
Yeah.
And what is one?
This is too madasi.
Mandasi.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
enjoy.
Okay. Thank you.
Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ngayon nga pala, nakita nyo naman, wala kaming trabaho. Nasa labas yung mga sasakyan namin. Nasa mission yung mga truck. Yung mga maliliit naman, nandyan pa pero sabi nila, bibiyahe din daw sila. Kaya siguro hanggang bukas yan, wala kaming trabaho. Ang trabaho na namin yan, baka Lunes, Martes na. Pero nandito kami sa workshop, kailangan nandito kami. Una nga pala sa lahat, babatiin ko muna yung kapatid ko at yung mga pamangkin ko, Garcia at Eusebio family. Nagpunta sila dun sa lugar namin, sa Salcedo, Eastern Samar. Ako matagal nang hindi nakakapunta dyan eh. Ang tanda ko, ang huling punta ko dyan, 1989 pa. At noon, nagbus lang kami. Yung kapatid ko yata at yung mga pamangkin ko, nagban yata sila ngayon. Pero kung ako pupunta uli doon, ayoko na nang mag-by land. Mas may naman talaga sa eroplano. Dahil ang tagal ng biyahe eh. At total nabanggit ko na rin yung sa eroplano. Papunta dito, kahit pauwi ako, ilang beses akong sumasakay ng eroplano. At alam naman natin yan na kapag sa eroplano, yung take off at yung landing, madalas masakit sa tenga yan. Halos lahat nakaka-experience niyan. Kaya yun naman ang i-share ko kung ano ba yung ginagawa ko kapag yung sa ganung pagkakataon, yung sumasakit yung tenga ko. Hello, Koy. How are you? Good
Hello,
morning.
Pepito. Good morning, brother.
I'm okay. Koy, when you came here to Rumbek, you use plane or by road?
I was using plane for coming to Rumbek.
So what is your experience in the plane?
You know, brother, in the plane, so I experienced some of the things like when we were starting the journey from Juba.
On takeoff?
Yeah, when we were taking off, when they were starting the engine, we feel deaf. I feel deaf even. I did not hear anything again.
You feel you feel the problem on the air?
Yeah.
It's like there's something painful, right?
Yeah, you know, it look like pressure is given, maybe too much air, too much pressure is entering your ears. So that was how I feel in the plane.
And that one is normal.
Okay.
Everybody experience that one.
Okay.
So it's take off and landing.
Yeah,
Both.
of
But
course.
when it's already in the air,
Yeah, it was just normal.
it's normal.
Yeah.
So that one is normal.
Okay.
So do you know how to prevent that one?
How to prevent that one?
So the next time you board on a plane,
Yeah.
if you have the same problem, there is a way how to control that one.
So that way I don't know how to control.
You don't
it.
know, huh?
Yeah.
That
I
one
don't
you
know.
just hold your nose,
Okay.
close your nose and mouth,
Okay.
and then create pressure inside,
Okay.
like you want to blow your nose,
Okay.
but because you are holding it, it will create pressure inside,
Okay.
and then you will feel that one. It will become normal.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
You will not feel the pain again.
Okay. Thank you.
It is like that.
Okay, thank you too.
Okay, you can do that the next time.
Yeah, thank you. That's good advice. I never knew before.
Ang paliwanag nga pala nila dyan, kaya natin nararamdaman yung ganyan sa take off at paglanding ng eroplano. Dahil yan sa biglang pagbabago ng air pressure. Kaya naaapektuhan yung teka natin. Ako ganyan lang yung ginagawa ko at okay naman talaga. Tinuro lang din sa akin yan nung isang kaibigan ko. Kaya para doon sa mga kababayan natin dyan, lalo na doon sa mga OFW rin, pag na-experience nyo yung ganon, subukan nyo yung tinuro ko na yan. At meron pang ibang paraan. Halimbawa nung makipag-usap ka, kapag nagsasalita tayo habang nagte-take off o lumalanding, mas nababawasan yung sakit. O kaya naman na kumain ka ng candy, chewing gum, yung mga ganyan, pwede rin daw yun. Kaya nga lang, nagkakaroon pa rin. Ang pinaka-effective talaga, ganun na lang ang gawin nyo. Kapag na-experience nyo yung ganun, takpan nyo na lang yung ilong nyo at create kayo ng pressure, mararamdaman nyo yun. Biglang liliwanag uli yung pandinig nyo at mawawala na yung sakit. Dala nga pala ako ngayon, great taste. Nagtimpla ako ng isa. Yung isa daw, titikman ng kasamahan ko. Francis,
Yes, sir.
so what can you say about the coffee?
The coffee is very nice. I like it.
But which one is better?
The first
You
one.
remember the last time I went on leave?
Yeah, the one you brought last time it was good.
Which one is better?
The first one.
The first one.
Yeah.
Mas gusto nila yung yung
I really enjoy it.
kopi ko. The first one is kopi ko. The last time.
Okay.
This
But
one is great taste.
They have grades. Huh? The first grade and the second.
No, the first one, the last time is kopi ko.
Coffee.
Kopi ko. This one is great taste coffee.
Different,
I like the kopi ko.
different companies have.
Different
coffee?
companies. Different companies.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bong, this is mine a lot.
This yours.
Oh.
This
No.
one is good for small mug only, small glass.
But you know me, I like, I'm big.
You want big?
I'm also big, so. I
Also, you make it two.
need- Oh, yeah. Very nice.
James,
Yes, sir.
so you finished the coffee?
Hey, very nice. I finished.
Which one you like more? The first one, the last time I went on leave, or this one?
I think the first one.
The first one.
But for me, everything is going. I am not non-stop.
But you like the other one more?
Yeah, because the other one is very nice sweet.
That one is the kopi ko.
Yeah.
You remember that one?
Kopiko, yeah.
Kopiko.
But this one, how do you call it?
This one is great taste coffee.
Greatest?
Great taste.
Greatest? But it's not greatest. It is greatest for grandfathers. Like,
But it's also good,
why not?
Okay.
We have no time with
Ang naging resulta talaga, mas nagustuhan nila yung kopi ko kaysa sa great taste. Kahit ako, mas gusto ko yung kopi ko. At yan lang po muna sa ngayon, mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo yung video natin ngayon at maraming salamat po doon sa mga laging nanonood ng mga ina-upload ko.